Alright, so right now my mama need up some dumpling.
Already gonna make them put in the pot.
So I make them put them in the pot, you know? You don't know what I mean. Yeah.
That's it.
So this is a strategy you always use when you make dumpling.
Mm-hmm.
So about the dimple song, you know that?
Yeah, man, go do it, yes.
Yeah, see that. So if you never know if you make dumpling or roll dumpling, that's how you do it.
Mm-hmm.
So boom. Just do something with her on them.
Mm-hmm.
She going. I'm just wait for the dimple part. She's sinking the dimple. She make her dumpling. Yeah.
Cook.
Yeah, what will I cook today?
Yam, round leaf yellow yam, dumpling, ackee and saltfish. So a piece of saltfish in the pot.
Okay.
With the dumpling and the yam right now.
Yeah, people. So this is a bit of short, you know, this is a bit of YouTube short. If you don't want to see the full video, I'll put it up later. And that'll be like how I actually make the ackee. Or the ackee and saltfish and all that. Right now, a little piece of ackee, a little piece of saltfish actually be right here.
Yeah, but the balance is here.
The balance is here.
Yes. We're planning to do it yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And then change your mind.
Okay.
So
Don't want to sink no more. Just put it under the water.
I'll do it, yeah.
Alright, so that's the dumpling part, you know. Shall I sink down the dumpling now? Because I want to get under the water, you know, I want it flowery.
One banana.
Okay. Take out a little piece or something.
Saltfish.
But yeah. Stick around, you know what I mean? The other shots them will come. The full video will be actually making the ackee and saltfish, so yeah. Alright.